While districts around Green Country are working to protect all students from this virus, when teachers get sick or go into quarantine, they're also dealing with a shortage of substitute teachers.
In tonight's Project Safe Schools, our Katie Kelleher looks at how administrators are working to get subs back in the classroom. Katie.
Mike and Karen, being short on substitutes isn't a new problem for school districts, but it's one that's been intensified due to COVID-19.
It is impacting our schools, and there's no if, ands, or buts about it.
Another COVID-19 headache for school districts, a shortage of substitute teachers. At Bixby Public Schools, 25% of sub openings aren't getting filled, leaving as many as 10 to 20 positions open.
If those are concentrated at one particular site, like high school, then it really poses an issue.
The district hired a full-time sub for each building at the beginning of the school year, but even with that extra help, teachers and staff are being stretched thin, and Bixby isn't alone.
Some of our certified teachers will sub during their class times. Occasionally we're using some of our support staff to fill a classroom for coverage.
Sand Springs Public Schools says on average it needs 1 to 2 subs at each building every day. At Tulsa Public Schools, Superintendent Dr. Deborah Gist says they only have a quarter of their subs enrolled this year, and Union moved several schools, including its high school, to distance learning, partly because of a lack of subs. Many districts are now increasing pay for substitutes. Safety of students, teachers, staff, and subs a top priority for districts as they continue to navigate the pandemic.
This year, it is a part that we've added where we talk about, those added measures for health and for keeping our students safe and about masks and those types of things.
You can apply to be a sub on a school district's website. Links for the districts in this story and others are on our website, kgrh.com. Katie Kelleher, 2 Works for You.